How to delete notes on Facebook profile. First of all, launch Facebook app and head towards the home page. Make sure you log in or sign in. Now navigate to three-bar menu icon at top right corner. Once you access the menu, tap on the profile bar and then you will reach on this profile page. For a demo, let me add a note. So let's tap on the note icon at top left corner on your profile icon. And here you can easily add any note with the music as well and tap on share at top right corner of your screen. So to delete this note on your Facebook profile, you simply need to tap on your note at your profile. Now here you see replace note and delete note option, tap on delete note and tap on delete button. With that, you have successfully deleted the Facebook profile note. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.